Shemelle grew up in a small village in Jamaica, surrounded by the lush green hills and vibrant culture of the island. As a little girl, she would watch the traditional folk dances of the Jamaican people, mesmerized by the fluid movements and rhythmic beats. She felt an inexplicable connection to the music and movement, and her mother, a talented seamstress, would often encourage her to twirl and dance through the markets. As Shemelle grew older, her love for dance only intensified. She would sneak into the local dance studio, hidden behind a colorful mural, and watch the ballet classes through the window. Entranced by the beauty and poise of the dancers, she longed to join them. With her mother's support, Shemelle's parents enrolled her in ballet classes, and she quickly discovered a new passion. With dedication and hard work, Shemelle's talent flourished. She mastered the intricate steps and perfected her technique, earning a scholarship to study at a prestigious dance academy in New York City. As she grew into a strong and confident dancer, Shemelle's unique blend of Jamaican flair and classical training set her apart. Her big break came when she was cast as the lead in a production of Swan Lake. Critics raved about her performance, praising her ethereal beauty and poise on point. The world took notice, and soon Shemelle was dancing on stages across the globe, sharing her love of dance with audiences everywhere. Years later, as Shemelle accepted a prestigious award for her contributions to the world of ballet, she looked out at the sea of faces in the audience and smiled, knowing that her humble beginnings in a small Jamaican village had led her to this moment. She knew that she was living proof that with hard work and determination, even the most impossible dreams could come true.